Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. I just finished a scarf and this idea just came to my mind. Okay, I will put the link. I did a tutorial on how to crochet the stitch. So I thought, what can I do? I want to do something different. So I want to work with the Tunisian way. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we're going to do is, I have these Tunisian crochet hooks as the two sides are hooks. Let me just pull up the biggest one. So this would be short. Like this would work on socks or mittens. But there are more stitches here. So I am going to work with this longer version. Okay. And I will put the links where I bought these hooks from. I have an unboxing. You can go to my unboxing supplies. I have a playlist as well. So I'm going to start. This is the beginning of a new row. So I am going to do this trick. I don't think anyone else did it. So I'm doing it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick up stitches just like this. Okay, until I come to the point where I cannot. Okay, I have never tried this. I did Tunisian hats, but this way I have never done it. Usually I do it bottom up. So I thought, why not do this top down? The crown is already done, right? So nothing to worry about. So I am turning around until I'm getting it's getting hard to pick up stitches. Okay, so it looks like I'm on the half. Let me see. Yeah, I'm almost at the half. Maybe I might pick up a couple more. Let's see if I can. One. Yeah, I can pick up two more maybe, or three more. Let's see. Here we go. Maybe another one if I try, but it's tough. Okay, here we go. So I am going to turn my work. And what I'm going to do is this was the yarn, so I am going to find the other end of the yarn. I had it right here ready, now I lost it. So it's right here. Okay, so what I'll do is tying it here. So I'm just doing the regular just pull the first one and then two, just like this. And these are the biggest hooks. I believe there are 5. Let me see what this is. This one's a 6, but the one that I have is a 5. When I see these particular hooks, I order them. Dollar stores used to sell these, but I don't know, for lately I haven't seen any. Dollar Tree or Dollarama. At Dollarama I don't see needles or hooks or anything like that. So here we go. Okay, and I'm going to turn my work, and then I'm going to pick up stitches around just like this. So around, I'm just going to continue picking up because I was left here, right? So I'm not doing any increase. I'm at the point where I am doing the side of the hat. So the crown is finished. So I am going to go down, I would say maybe 10 rows or 15, and then I will do the brim. Okay, got tangled here. So I'm almost at the part. Okay, so here's the beginning. I can pick up 2 more, I guess. It's a little bit hard, but there's a huge gap here. I don't know why. So let me just come in here and then close that gap. Here we go. So we don't want any gap. And then I'm going to turn my work. Don't want to lose this here. So push the needle and then continue doing 1 and then 2, 2, 2. And then we do this all the way around until the length that we need. This is going to take me a while. Lost the stitches. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2. This one's pretty loose. And then I turn my work, and then with this yarn I continue picking stitches. See, this is how it looks like. Okay, on this one, what I'm going to do is, I already did a tutorial just a couple of days ago, so I'm going to use that technique. See if you can see the stitches. It's not one after another. It's like there's the stitches between. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. To do that, let me see. Okay, so I will come here. The long one, I picked it up here. Okay, I just went and looked at my tutorial just to confirm myself. I didn't want to do anything wrong. Okay, so what we're going to do is some of the stitches we're going to go through like this, as on the tutorial I showed, and the other one we're going to go it on the back and pick that stitch here. And it's tough to, here we go. And then I'm going to pull it like this. So one, I'm going to go like this, not pick up the stitch, and on the back I'm going to pick a stitch. So one, I'm going to go like, if I do every stitch, then there's going to be an increase, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to go behind, go through, just doing that tutorial, and I will pin it as that one as well, and then pick this on the back. So it's just these backs that we see. Can you see these backs? That's what we're picking from the back. Okay, so this way it will give us the ups and downs, and it will match the stitch. If I did the regular Tunisian, then it wouldn't be the same. Okay, so one I go through, and then one I will pick from the back, which I will use my finger to help to pull up that loop. Here we go. Okay, one go through. Just like this. It's a little bit tough. Yeah. Or what we can do is, because I'm having a hard time turning around because I'm creating a stitch, what I'll do is I will go like this. No, sorry. Turn around and finish this because I'm having a hard time turning because by creating the stitch. Okay, so first the one and then two, and then I will pick the rest of the stitches. Oops, two. And I will do this until I have enough length. At least it's going to cover my ears. It will go down. Put it on, try it on. Okay, and then turn your Tunisian stitch and continue picking what we did. And then you will notice the stitch is similar to this. Isn't this brilliant? Okay, so we'll go through this one and then pull the stitch, and I will continue doing this. Okay, I will finish this and just continue doing what I just showed you, and I'll be right back. If I need to come back, I will come back. I just wanted to come and show you before I end the tutorial that when you come to the beginning of the row, here's my marker, so this is my beginning of the row. I am going to change the stitches. See, on this one I picked the stitch, and so this one is supposed to be pulling it up, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I am going to pull a stitch from here, a loop, not even a stitch, and on the back of this one I am going to grab that and then make a loop. And so I am going to be changing the stitches, okay, instead of repeating it over and over. So this way we are going to be making these changes. So that's what I did on the second row. So this is the third row, and I will continue doing this so we can create the look of the stitch that we did with just one hook. So, and this is how it looks like so far. So every row you change it, because this is done in a round. We can't repeat every row, or else the stitch won't become. And then don't forget, when you're doing the wrong side, we do two, around and around, and then you will notice that your hat is turning to become a hat, and it will give you the double layer. It will be thicker than the regular hook that we have done. You will notice that fabric becoming as well. Okay, this is just a sample. This is not going to be a hat, but just wanted to show you. So you can create, if you want to do the Tunisian look, Tunisian technique, and then carry on for your project. So I hope you liked this info. Just wanted to give you show this to you, and yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crafting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.